income refers to money earned through online activities and digital platforms. It encompasses various forms of income generated via the internet, leveraging digital technologies and tools.
What are these exactly? E-commerce, selling products or services online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting other people's products or services and driving sales through your referral links.
Digital products, creating and selling digital goods such as ebooks, online courses, printables, and software. Freelancing, offering services like writing, graphic design, web development, or virtual assistants through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr.
Content creation, monetizing content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok through ads, sponsorships, and brand partnerships. Online coaching and consulting, providing expert advice and coaching sessions in your area of expertise.
Passive income streams, generating income from investments, royalties, or automated businesses.